Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly and welcome to the Street Fighter martial art lesson today. In this lesson, we're going to practice some fun street fighting moves, and make sure you guys click the like in the video and subscribe so you don't miss out on new lessons. Also, make sure you guys stay to the end of the video if you want to know more about the new comic books that we're coming out with. Now, before we start a lesson like this, I want to make something really clear, okay? Are we allowed to use martial arts to hurt other people? No, we only use it for self-defense. Now, I know the title is called Street Fighter, okay? Now, the Street Fighter is just a game, okay? It's not how real life's supposed to be, so I don't want you guys to use any of these moves unless you have the reason to do so. Now, here are the only reasons. Let's say you are in trouble and someone's trying to hurt you. Rule number 1, run away. Everyone say, run away. Good. Rule number 2, use your words. Everyone say, use words. Good. Rule number 3, get help. Rule number 4, defend yourself, okay? So, rule number 1, you run away. Now, if you're running away and that isn't working, then you use your words. If your words aren't working, you get help. And if help isn't coming and the person tries to hit you, you defend yourself. Did I say attack? No, I said defend yourself, right? So make sure we make that really clear. Now, if someone says something mean to you, does that mean you can hit them? No, you can't, okay? Only if someone physically tries to hurt you, they try to put their hands on you, then you have the right to defend yourself. That's the only time you can use it. Does that make sense? Awesome, good. All right, let's get started. Try yet? Yeah. All right, let's get started with the warm-up. All right, we'll start with jumping jacks. Repeat after me. I'm gonna say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Awesome. Start rotating arms. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Going the other way. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Awesome. We're gonna warm up with some punches. Okay, so we're gonna go jab crosses just like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Now this time do some uppercuts. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Some knees this time. Right and left. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. One last one. Reaching for your toes. Just hang like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. And come back up. All right. Shake your hands. Shake out your legs. Chariot. Kenya. Awesome. Are you guys ready to get started? Okay. Hands up fighting stance. Awesome. Good. All right. We're in the Street Fighter world. Here's what we're going to do. See this car over here? Okay. This make-believe car. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to practice throwing 10 axe kicks. An axe kick is when we swing our foot up and we go down. Okay. So we're going to do 10 axe kicks to this car. 5 with our left leg and 5 with our right leg. Ready? Everyone say hana. Good. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Awesome. Good job. Now let's do the other leg this time. 5 axe kicks. Let's see what happens to the car. Ready? Hana. Good. Do it. Set. Net. Good. Toss it. Awesome. Good job. You guys have 5. Awesome. Oh, it's Ryu. Looks like Ryu is challenging us to a fight. Do you guys think we can take him on? Awesome. All right. Hands up, fighting stance. Awesome. All right. Here's what's going to happen. He's going to shoot some Hadokens at us. Here's what we're going to do. We got to make sure we duck underneath the Hadoken. And then we're going to throw an uppercut. And after we uppercut, we're going to throw a hook. And then we're going to throw a back kick. Bang. Right to Ryu. Okay. Let's try that. Ready? Make sure to dodge the Hadoken. Ready? And duck. Uppercut. Hook. Back kick. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Again. Ready? Duck. Uppercut. Hook. Back kick. Awesome. Good. Again. And duck. Uppercut. Hook. Back kick. Awesome. Good. One more time. Ready? Duck. Uppercut. Hook. Good. Finishing move. And back kick. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Oh, what's that? A new challenger's approaching? Who could it be? Oh, it's Ken. All right. Now, Ken's really tricky. He's going to throw a lot of flying kicks at us. What we got to do is we got to practice doing a check. And as soon as we check, we're going to go counter with our jab, throw a knee, and then we're going to throw a jump turning round kick. So this knee comes up, and then we kick with that leg, okay? So let's practice that together. Ready? And we'll go check, punch, jump turning round kick. Awesome, good. Ready? And go check, punch, jump turning round kick. Good job, you guys. Again, ready? And go check, punch, jump turning round kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. Now, if that kick was a little difficult, let's go ahead and practice it together. Now, here's the interesting thing about a jump turning around kick. It's like a scissor kick with a turn. Okay, so let's break it down. You might remember in other videos we've practiced this kick, right? If you've done our 6-week course, you probably remember this one. We did scissor front kick and we did scissor round kick, right? Now a jump turning round kick, it's that same kick with the turn. So you might remember back kick. Back kick, we do this. We turn, we look over our shoulder, and we kick with this leg, right? But jump turning around is you turn, look over your shoulder. Now instead of kicking, you pick up this knee, and then now what kick does it look like now? A scissor round kick, right? So when you do it all together, you turn, you look over your shoulder, you pick up this knee, and then you round kick, okay? Sometimes you might see moves, you might see techniques that look really complicated. However, if you break them down little piece by piece, it actually is it's a lot easier than you think. Now, does that mean the kick itself is easy? No, but every step getting there can make it easier. So if you practice your steps in order, you get really good at your scissor kicks, you get really good with your back kicks. Once those feel pretty easy, then doing the jump turn around kick isn't gonna be so bad, okay? You guys did a fantastic job today. Chariot? Kenya? Awesome. All right, I'll see you guys in the cool down. Awesome job, you guys. All right, let's finish up the class today with the cool down. So I want everyone to go ahead, go down on one knee like this. We're gonna stretch out our hip, okay? So I'm gonna take your hand on your hip like this. I want you guys to go ahead and push yourself forward. Okay, now we're gonna count to 10 in Korean for pisa. With a nice nod after me. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna take one foot. We're gonna pick up our knee just like this, and then we're gonna put our hands on the ground. Just keep ourselves stable, stretching out our quad muscle right here. Then we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome job, you guys. All right, now this time we're gonna stretch out this leg. Okay, stretching out our hamstring, reaching for your toes. So everyone together, everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. Let's turn to the other side this time. Ready? Now we're gonna stretch our hip on this side. Good. Now make sure don't forget to breathe. Okay? Ready? And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good. Nice. Now we're gonna take this foot. We're gonna stretch it out just like this. Good. Awesome. All right. Let's together say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now keeping this leg straight, toes pointing up, stretching out our hamstring. Ready? Good. I'm leaning down, reaching for your toes. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, and up. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna go down to our stomach just like this, and we're gonna stretch out. Stretch our upper body just like this. Okay? And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to do. Okay? We're gonna be on our knees like this. We're gonna stretch out our wrists. I guess take your hands just like this, turn them upside down, place them on the mat gently on the ground, and then very slowly lean back. Don't go too quick, but really slowly lean back. Okay? And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. Now we're gonna take our fingers. We're gonna go this way now. Fingers down. Good. Now leaning back slowly. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. You're awesome. All right, shake your hands. Shake it out just like this. I'm gonna take one hand, put it on the side of your head like this. We're gonna stretch out the side of our neck here. We're
Repeat nice loud after. Be really gentle. Pull. Then let's say hana, dur, set, net, hasit, yasit, irgo, yidder, aho. Yeah, good job. Other side now. Stretching out your neck. Then let's say hana, dur, set, net, hasit, yasit, irgo, yidder, aho. Yeah, good, awesome. Now this time, hands in the back of your head here, stretching your neck down. And say, hana, dur, set, net, hasit, yasit, igo, yidder, aho. Yeah, awesome. Good job. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders a little bit. Very good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now we got a couple more stretches, some standing ones. Don't take your feet together just like this. I want you guys just to hang. Just hang down like this. No counting. Hold this position. Good. 5 more seconds. And slowly come up. Awesome. Great job, you guys. Ready yet? And yeah.
Hi everybody, my name is Master Taylor Kelly. I'm the creator of Dojo Go, and today I'd like to introduce to you Dojo Go Comics, a complete series of martial arts inspired comic books and a future animated series for children. Our stories will focus on life lessons derived from martial arts that will teach the kids the values of hard work, discipline, overcoming obstacles, and being a force of good in this world through acts of virtue. The first issue of the Dojo Go comic universe, laying the groundwork for all future projects, will be called Dojo Go, The Book of Perseverance, Chapter 1. This story is about the origins of Dojo, where he comes from, and why the legendary Monkey King has chosen him to be next in line to get the Cosmic Belt. A mysterious belt that changes color based on the strength of the user's integrity, courtesy, self-control, and indomitable spirit. Now, Dojo is by no means the chosen one. In fact, someone else may argue it's not his birthright to get the belt. However, Dojo, someone who lacks talent, must learn and struggle in order to become the hero the world needs him to be. Dojo will learn from a variety of teachers and masters not only the skills to defend himself and others, but will also learn to grow in virtue and unlock the true potential of the Cosmic Belt by unlocking all 5 tenets of Taekwondo. To ensure your kids will be following an entertaining but also morally acceptable story, we follow a 3 simple code of ethics that ensure your kids will be reading acceptable material. Number 1, no political agendas. So many shows and so many books these days have been pushing out political agendas and wokeness over giving kids a good, entertaining story that not only will teach them the morality of good values, but also inspire them to become the best version of themselves. None of our stories will have any political agendas in it. There's not going to be any wokeness, so don't worry, that's not going to be in our stories. Number 2, the ends won't justify the means. Unlike what society may be showing to kids, none of our stories will adhere to the concept of consequentialism. This is the belief that the morality of an action is based solely on its consequences. This is no different than someone robbing a rich person and giving it to a poor person. The action is still wrong. So none of our stories will adhere to this concept. And number 3, morality will be presented with Judeo-Christian principles. All of our stories will take place in a world where God exists. Not pagan or mythological gods, but the God of Abraham. Many stories today either try to exclude God completely or try to replace him with mythological gods or Eastern religions, or even worse, the demonic. But not our stories. Characters will acknowledge the existence of him, and the comic universe will be presented in a way where Christian Judeo principles are the foundation for society. Along the way, there will be some characters that have a hard time coming to terms with the supernatural. Our stories will present a realistic view of what it's like to be a person of faith in a secular world. The first series of comics will be a 10-part series covering the tenet of perseverance. Perseverance is one of the 5 tenets of Taekwondo, and one could argue that it stems from the cardinal virtue of fortitude. Fortitude is the moral virtue that ensures firmness in difficulty and constancy in the pursuit of something good. It strengthens the resolve to resist temptations and overcome obstacles in the moral life. The virtue of fortitude enables one to conquer fear, even the fear of death, to face trials and persecutions. This is a great lesson for kids to learn in a world today where fear is rampant in society. It is our hope that this series covering the tenet of perseverance will inspire kids to stand up for what's right and to not give up when things are difficult. As a supporter of our Kickstarter, you will not only get a signed exclusive cover of our comic book, but you'll also get a personal message from me as well as the author. Help us reach our goal to support a family-friendly, Christian morality-based, martial arts-inspired comic books for children.